Okay, so just checked into the 5 and I'm gonna give a quick room tour. This is gonna be the 1-bedroom suite. Already went in, it's pretty dope. So let's come on in, let's check it out. All right, ignore the bags. First thing, when you come in, you see all this space. Got a nice little living room, dining room table. Off to the right, we've got a kitchen. The fridge is pretty stocked. I don't know whether this stuff is free or not, but it's got all kinds of stuff in here to drink: champagne, beer, soda. That's pretty dope. Check out the living room here. So some nice shelving, good aesthetic, nice couch. Hold on, is it comfortable? Oh, it's a little hard, but that's dope. TV with your name on it. Bathroom's a good size. It's got like the combo shower and tub together, so that's pretty cool. And a separate water closet. And I don't know like what it is, but you got the house phone in here in case you need to make a call. The bedroom is a dope size, like the little desk behind, another TV that's on the wall. Big closet, okay, nice size closet. Now, let's check out outside, this huge patio space. If I can't get none of these doors unlocked, look at this patio space. Tons of different seating areas, bed. You got the little plunge pool right here. Water's pretty warm, probably will jump in there. And you got all this outdoor space. And then obviously you've got a view downtown Dubai. So that's pretty dope. So that's the 1-bedroom suite at Play at Jumeirah Village. Dope hotel. Yeah.